Hey, if you're already doing podcasts, interviews, discovery calls, or growth plan calls, but you're struggling to convert those conversations into paid work, this is for you. I'm Antonio from Ibero AI. I help consultants turn interesting conversations into real growth plans. And then, if needed, I can help fulfill the technical implementation as well. Here's what I see a lot. The calls are friendly, the prospect is interested, but the conversation and next steps are unclear. You don't uncover the real constraints fast enough. You're not sure what's feasible with automation or AI. And when it's time to propose a plan, you're guessing or defaulting to the most obvious thing like lead gen or AI receptionist when the real opportunity is somewhere else. The fix is simple. Stop trying to pitch a solution on a messy call. Instead, offer a paid AI business audit as the entry point. It gives you a structured way to diagnose the business, find the highest ROI opportunities, and deliver a clear roadmap. That helps you diagnose exactly what a prospect needs, prioritize the highest impact solutions, and connect the AI automation ideas to real business outcomes. This works well in any niche and where the opportunities aren't as obvious. And it's best for consultants targeting SMBs, typically 1 million to 500 million in revenue, or even a department of two or more people within a larger company. All these business leaders know they have pain points and may want to do AI for quick wins. They just don't know how to start. They don't know the top AI opportunities clearly, and they don't want to gamble on the wrong project. They may actually be pushing back on you on those calls. Now, why listen to me? Well, I spent 17 years in corporate America doing continuous improvement and operational excellence work, mapping processes, building project pipelines, executing efficiency projects, and driving change. I've been learning and building AI for the last 3 years, and I've been focused on business development in the last year. So this is in theory, this is real world experience. And that's what led me really to focus on these audits. The output of the audit is practical. It's a leadership friendly deliverable. Basically, the highest leverage AI and automation opportunities and a 90-day prioritized roadmap that turns into implementation projects. The most important thing is the outcome. Your client knows exactly where automation or AI deserves a budget and what returns to expect. They have those specific recommended projects with the next steps clearly laid out. The process is efficient and repeatable. Within 1 week and only 6 to 8 hours of the client's time, we follow all these steps collaboratively with the client. Besides my facilitation skills, I built proprietary audit workflows and templates that make this faster and more effective. Of course, we use AI to do this. We built our own tools so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. And this isn't ChatGPT brainstorming either. This is a structured diagnostic built from OPEX methods plus AI feasibility and solid validation that I've been doing for years. And this isn't a 100-page report either with 100 ideas that go nowhere. It's a clear visual deck that is built collaboratively. The client agrees to it and actually uses to make decisions. It's something you present to them and you can immediately convert into even larger scope projects. Here's one example that shows you the power. A SaaS team with a great product needed to start selling in a bootstrapped way. We plugged in with the audit to help with their go to market execution. The audit identified the opportunities within their outbound prospecting, sales pipeline, and sales operations. We presented those top opportunities and created a 3 month roadmap. And guess what? They asked us to help implement those projects, which turned into 3 months of work and recurring revenue for us. We implemented AI enabled processes for LinkedIn outreach, email marketing, sales operations, sales calls analysis, using tools such as AI acquisition, Apollo, Instantly, LinkedIn automation tools, a CRM, and NAN for automations. And they were happy after 90 days, they had two new clients at 10K MRR and a 45K pipeline. We've done these audits in multiple industries such as tech, real estate, edtech, and we've received great client feedback. We've implemented AI and automation technical projects in multiple industries such as telecom, logistics, and small local businesses. We offer different levels, but to keep it simple, most partners start with our bronze AI business audit. It's intentionally scoped small, it's fast to deliver, and typically priced between $1,500 and $3,000. If the client needs deeper work, there are higher tiers, but bronze is the best entry point to start getting some wins. 3 easy ways to plug this into what you already do. It could be an entry offer as one growth plan or as one initial deliverable of a growth plan. You can also cross-sell it to existing clients. Hey, we already implemented lead gen for you. What else can we do with AI? And you can co-deliver it or white label as well. Either way, you stay trusted advisor, and I support the technical feasibility, automation, agents, and implementation. So this would help you turn more conversations into paid work and into real projects. Book a quick demo discovery call with me. We'll look at your individual situation, what kinds of calls you're running, and whether a demo audit or a full audit partnership makes the most sense to start with. Hey, we can even do a demo audit on your role and you get immediate value. We can identify one AI automation opportunity to help you save time so that you can focus on more value-added activities. So I'm looking forward to exploring a partnership opportunity. Go ahead and book a call with me now.